First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Boy, a real nice day going for us here. Yesterday was great, but today pacing even well above that, the temperature range of yesterday when we hit in the low 70s. Today, I think more into the mid 70s. It's going to be a very nice day, possibly even upper 70s in some cases near the Tennessee border. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. After some early morning sprinkles, we are all sunny and already at 70 degrees. The warm air, though, is going to play a role in some maybe thunderstorm activity as we get on into, say, Thursday, especially starting Wednesday night into Thursday and even early Friday morning. The Storm Prediction Center, though, looking at an area just along and west of I-75, including all of the WBKO viewing area, much of Middle Tennessee, southern Indiana, Illinois, Boot Hill, and Missouri, under a slight risk for severe weather. And this is on Thursday, but the timing of this will have everything to do with how it plays out here in southern Kentucky. We know we're going to get some thunderstorms early Thursday, but there could be a period where warm air sweeps up to the north of us along the Ohio River and kind of shuts off the activity here in southern Kentucky. And then as the front comes in on Friday morning very early, that could be the worst of the storm. So it may be late Thursday night into early Friday morning before we see the development of severe weather here. But just to give you a heads up, we are paying attention to that over the next couple of days. Here's a look at the temperatures now. Mesonet sites showing at least a couple of upper 60s. Calhoun, Elkton, both at 69, then everybody else in the low 70s. It is a gorgeous day here in southern Kentucky. And we've got a west wind coming in at 15 to nearly 20 miles per hour, so it's a bit breezy at times, but it's a warm wind and it feels awful nice. And it looks nice too from the I-65 webcam. You see there a sunny sky, temperature at 73 degrees, west winds at 9. Occasionally we get those gusts we showed you about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Fairly dry atmosphere here at the surface. Dew point only at 52, rising pressure at 30.07. Here's a look at some of our AAA systems weather cams. We go north to Grayson County. Litchfield, you're at 71 after starting at 58 this morning. Sunny skies in Franklin, 71 after starting at 53 this morning. Munfordville, you're at 72 there in Hart County. Lots of sunshine. Your low temperature this morning at the Mesonet site there at 55 degrees. Greenville at 73 after starting at 58 degrees in Muhlenberg County, and Mammoth Cave is at 71 after starting at 56 this morning. We did pick up a few sprinkles very early. Not everybody saw those. Little weak instability moving through the area, but all that's gone now. Cloud cover has really done a good job of clearing out. In fact, we're seeing less clouds than we thought we would see today, but already some high clouds showing up back to the west of us. Notice here the very tight gradient in temperatures. In other words, a very sharp cutoff between the warm air that's over us and the very cold air that's off to the north and west. Only 49 degrees in St. Louis, 41 in Kansas City, 71 here. That's a 30-degree difference from Kansas City to Bowling Green, and we're pacing well above the temperatures of yesterday. And here's the reason for that tight cutoff. That frontal boundary that helped spark some of the instability this morning, the light rain showers and sprinkles, got hung up back to the west of us. Now it is starting to retreat off to the north and west as a warm front, and that is going to help set up the, well, possibly some of the severe weather that we're looking at for the day on Thursday or into early Friday. That's going to open up the Gulf of Mexico, strong southerly flow here, and then abundant moisture eventually coming in. Tomorrow, you'll notice a few more clouds around the area, and by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, we start to see some scattered showers in the area, maybe a few thunderstorms, but the main event will be with that area of low pressure and that cold front as it moves in late Thursday night into early Friday. Mostly sunny, warm this afternoon, 76, and as I mentioned, there could be a few locations getting into the upper 70s, even close to the Tennessee border today. 53 tonight and partly cloudy. Tomorrow, we'll make it up to 78. Yeah, warm and breezy, and then those showers start to scatter about for tomorrow afternoon and evening, and scattered about on Thursday too. There could be that period in the morning with thunderstorms and then a break We hope for Thursday evening for the Hot Rods and our Twister movie event at Franklin Drive-In that evening. And then the main event probably late Thursday into early Friday, and then cooler, a little bit cooler after a morning high of 73. Temperatures will fall, and then a bit cooler for the weekend with highs in the 60s. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.